Inland waterway transport is an eco-friendly transportation mode, facilitating the entry of goods into dense urban areas. A single barge can replace a multitude of trucks from the road, bundling volumes of different goods for shipment. Efficient coordination of operators is essential in this case. Effective logistics engineering, using collaborative IT tools for seamless interconnection between transport modes, is the response to this challenge.
En tant qu'entreprise de cycle logistique, nous livrons tous les jours des marchandises très différentes dans les zones les plus congestionnées de Bruxelles, avec un très haut niveau de service et d'efficacité. Aujourd'hui, on est obligé de partager les standards physiques et digitaux avec nos partenaires transporteurs pour offrir ce niveau de service et cette efficacité. Et avec le développement de la micro-conteneurisation et des technologies IoT, la connexion du last mile durable et du transport fluvial devient certainement une réalité.
Transportation of goods into dense urban areas is one of the scenarios rolled out as part of the IWNet project, funded by the European Horizon 2020 programme. This scenario shows how end-to-end real-time tracking data, collected using embedded IoT sensors, increase inland waterway transport efficiency. For example, knowing the last status of each logistics unit can be processed individually to trigger an alert in case of time deviation or cold chain break during the delivery of food products. The resulting visibility enables reactive decision-making, such as selecting the optimal multimodal route or accurately allocating the residual vessel's capacities. In addition, this scenario highlights the importance of connecting different worlds: road transport, waterway transport, last-mile urban delivery.
Many cities are connected to the water, and the connection to the water helps us to deliver in a more sustainable way goods via urban hubs with ships until the heart of the city. Out of the hubs, like the BCCC, the Brussels Construction Consolidation Centre, we can deliver with as well cargo bikes, as with large trucks, as with small trucks, until final destination. This helps making the city more viable, more mobile, more accessible.
This key interconnection between the various supply chain players also needs simplified transshipment operations using standard modular containers, communicating thanks to connected trackers.
Trois points importants pour réussir le développement du fluvial multimodal. Déjà un bateau adapté avec sa propre grue embarquée, c'est très important. Un contenant qui soit également facile à manutentionner, quelle que soit la marchandise, depuis la palette standardisée jusqu'à des contenants plus spécifiques, type Fleximal. Et surtout, ce sont nos travaux dans le cadre d'IWNet, des travaux sur la traçabilité de la marchandise tout au long de son cheminement et de l'organisation du transport multimodal.
Therefore, both physical and digital interconnections during transshipment enhance cooperation among logistics operators.
To implement multimodal transportation, it's more complex. That's why it's important to take advantage of maritime transportation experience. They use the maritime container standards in order to divide by 10 the handling cost at the port. If we want to better interconnect waterways with urban delivery, it's very important to take advantage of that, and that's why operators are working on implementing micro-containers adapted to urban logistics in this idea. We can see that the digital connection and the physical connection are very complementary in order to foster the modal shift. The idea is from modal shift to modal shift. Like these ideas, we can help people to implement a multimodal logistics in the urban zones context, and in this way to improve the logistics and to have an efficient and eco-friendly logistics, green logistics and green logistics.
In this way, better coordination between the partners in the multimodal supply chain helps to better synchronize the different plannings, reduce waiting time and delay, increase the responsiveness of operators, and therefore promote efficient and sustainable urban delivery.